Hello everyone. So first you type BH registration renewal on Google. You'll find the relevant website, which is the Parivahan website. Once you inside the Parivahan website, go to online service. Then in our online service, you click on vehicle related service. Under the vehicle related service, you find your own state which you are currently residing or you have originally taken your BH registration. So in my case, it was Maharashtra. Then I put my BH number, which is 24BH1458H. Then I select I accept the terms and condition, then proceed. Once I click on proceed, then another pop-up will show up. I will again click on proceed, then click on pay your tax. Once you click on pay your tax, then you have to again put your chassis number, the last 5 digit of your chassis number for verification. Once you put your chassis number and verify the details, the total payment page will reflect. You have to select from the drop down and how much amount the renewal fee will be reflecting. In my case, it was 12,873 rupees. And once you confirm all the details are correct, as of now, you click on confirm payment. Once confirm payment, there are two options for selecting the gateway. I selected SBI payment gateway. Once I select the payment gateway, I have to click on accept the terms and condition, then proceed. After click on proceed page, I have multiple option to pay the amount. So UPI, credit card, net banking, everything. So I selected credit card and I have given the details of a credit card and I clicked on pay now. Once the payment is successful, you will get to the renewal certificate page. You download that and keep it with yourself.